Hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to my channel, Can Crane Do It? I grew up with a dad who could do just about anything. He was a Marine who served in Vietnam, and he worked hard his entire life, still to this day, to provide for his family. He knew everything there was to know about cars. He helped me on all my school projects when I was a kid, to the point where they were way more advanced than whatever grade I was in. He fixed everything around our house. I never saw a repairman around, and he pretty much did all of our cooking. I always really admired that about my dad. When I was younger, I didn't really have to figure out much for myself because my dad was always there, but I was always watching him. As I got older, I wanted to figure out some of these things for myself, and I figured since I have his namesake and all, I should figure out if this crane can do it too. The last 14 years, I worked as a visual effects artist on various film and TV projects. You may have seen some of my work, maybe something like this, or that, or this. But I missed making things with my hands, and I figured I needed that jack-of-all-trades attitude that my dad had. So I really started getting into DIY projects and cooking a lot. I started out making things like this, and this, and these, and little shelves like this, and crazy-ass Medusa lamps like this. Made this giant workbench for my table saw, and cutting boards like this, and hung skulls like that, and picture frames like this, or that, or a lamp like that, or this vinyl bookshelf, which you may have already seen on YouTube, or this bamboo plywood bar, and this bamboo plywood shelf to hold my tiki glasses, or these picture frames, or this picture frame, or this picture frame, or that clothing rack, which you can't see, or that messy bed frame that my dog's on, that you can't see. So you might find me here, very often here, or in here. So I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and learn and grow with me. I'm always open to suggestions and tips and collaboration. Let's have some fun together.